Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A30s, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So you have two methods. Let's start with the quicker one. Just open your phone dialer and enter a secret code, which is *pound or 6 pound. And as you can see, both IMEI numbers and also serial number are right in front of you. So click on OK to go back. And now you can also open both numbers through the settings. So at first let's open list of all applications, choose settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone, and right now you have serial number and both IMEI numbers right in front of you over here. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can locate IMEI and serial number in your Samsung Galaxy A30s. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.